Hola, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make money as soon as possible in your business. Bienvenidos! If you need to erase any limiting beliefs and find the blueprint for the online business of your dreams, this is the place to be. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell below so you don't miss any of my new content. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you're starting your online business, probably you are looking for advice on the internet, and most of the people are saying things like, first you need to build your audience, second you need to make them trust you so you can at some point in the future basically sell your product or services. And I was doing the same thing myself when I realized that I don't have to do it that way. Even if you have all the time in this world to start building your audience and then you want to sell to them at some point in the future, for me, the best advice that I can give you is basically to start to sell your products and services to your target audience as soon as possible. You're going to build the confidence that you need as an entrepreneur, and you are going to feel that you really have a business, not a hobby. Probably you already have heard so many times that you need to use the know, like, and trust factor. And I completely agree with that, but usually we think about this factor like building your brand and then at some point selling. But for me right now, I have reinterpreted a little bit this factor, and you can use this at your lead generation. Basically, it's more like a one-to-one approach. If you're on any social media platform, for example, LinkedIn or Instagram, like is in my case, you can approach your potential target audience and have a real conversation about their lives, what they want, the goals that they want to achieve. And then at some point, if you think that they can be a perfect fit for your product or services, you can ask them to have a call with you to see if that will be a perfect match, and then you can offer your product and services to them. So you are selling from the get-go. You're going to have more profits, you're going to feel confident as an entrepreneur, and you are going to be able to basically, if you're like in my case with a full-time job, quit your job and become a full-time entrepreneur. Probably right now you are a little bit confused if, like me, you have been spending so much time and energy creating content for your social media platforms, and you're thinking, okay, you are telling me there is a better approach in order for me to try to build my business as a profitable business from the get-go. How to do it? Make sure that you understand your ideal client pain points and goals. Create a real relationship with them. And then if you feel that they are the perfect fit for your product and services, offer it to them. And you can do this at the same time that you are growing your audience and you can scale your business. I hope that this short video was of value to you. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to answer them in a future video. And I will give you a shout out just for submitting the question. Gracias y adiós. Create like a warm relationship. It was good. It was good, and then I. Okay. No, me estoy distrayendo hoy, ¿eh? If you're starting your online business, energy.
Woo! Makan.
So probably if you have been like me, try to.
Para allá. Mami.
Me gusta más para allá.
Hola.
Okay, this is a chit chat with you and me, okay? Here is not here. We are friends. I love you and I want you to succeed. Then
You got this, girl.
lo siento, cariño. Okay.
You got this, Miguel, tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Future Miguel.
Yay, Miguel. Es que ya no puedo. Oh. I hope